All right, today received a package. Got the addresses covered. And let me get something to open it with. It actually came a couple days early. Let's go through here. Hopefully they pack this good on the inside. We shall find out. Look, I got some paper. I see a part of it. It's a bit yellowed. Move that out of the way. All right. Look at that yellowing on the keys. All right, so today is February 5th, 2020. And I flipped it over. What is this? Yeah, it looks like glitter webbing of some sort, like from a spider's web, only it had glitter in it. Yeah, it's got some scuff marks. I don't see any damage yet on the case. All the way around, it's pretty yellowed. You can see in the contrast of the bottom. Yeah, I'll turn it off for him. Yeah, it looks okay. Cheers. Let's go ahead and crack him open. This one has a serial number of CA1596284. It's got a final test by 30 sticker on it. So quality control of some sort. Up here, out of the way. And let's see what we got inside. I see a little corrosion in here. There's a sticker on the back of it. Oops. Part number sticker. Let me take a look at that. 8204. Came off 252-405-02 8204. Let me put that off to the side. And yeah. Pretty dirty. It says, per the yellow label here, it's a C64E, so I already have an E board, so it's the second to the last board that was ever put out for the Commodore 64. This is a 64C. It'll lift off without an issue. don't think this thing's ever been opened before. So, looks pretty good on the bottom. But you got some rust on here. Looks like it's about to get into that at some time. And let's take a look at the board. Shield on the bottom. Sure, this looks okay. Looks like all the screw standoffs are good. There's no corrosion on the bottom that I can see. Set him off to the side. This board is pretty dirty. You can see on the back side of it where it's like it's sat in a garage or an attic or somewhere where it's dusty. This is a Rev 4 board. This is assembly 252311. Alright, so that's the initial. Flip this around. 88. So I have to get this baby cleaned up.